Welcome! If you want to activate Hey Google option into a Nokia G50 5G, first step, open your Google application, this one, and go into more option on the bottom. And here we got settings, so click it, settings, and need choose voice option. And here in the list we got voice match option, so click it. And here on the switcher we got Hey Google option, so click to the switcher to turn on this option. And click next, agree to voice match, click I agree, and press continue. And now we activate Hey Google option into Nokia G50 5G. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.